again with Crazy 8's Life, and I have another unboxing for you today. Today I have the Wantable unboxing. So let's open up this box and see what they sent. All right, here is the clothing package. It does look like there might be a pair of jeans in there. I didn't think they'd sent me any pants, so we'll see what that is. So for anyone that doesn't know what Wantable is, it is a styling service. They have a style edit or a active edit, I think it is called. So, and then a men's line. So they have 3 different edits that you can choose from. You pay a $20 styling fee to get, I believe, 7 items sent to you that you can try on and then send back what you don't want and keep, of course, what you do want. When you get started, you will fill out a profile or quiz, and the stylist will get kind of a sense of what you're wanting, and then they will hand pick items for you, and that is what will be shipped to you. If you were to purchase 5 or more of the items, then there is a 20% discount on your items. So I think that is it. If you guys have any questions, please ask them down below in the comments, and I do try to answer every single comment. So let me know if you have questions. There will also be a description down below telling you about Wantable, any other details that you might want to know, I hope. And there will also be a link for a discount on your first box. So right now, let's go ahead and get in here and see what we have. So I can't remember if I actually got on and requested things. I feel like there are a lot of tops in this, and I do always need tops. I feel like I have so many jeans, but tops I just tend to pick the same ones and wear through them quicker. So I am excited that this seems to have a lot of tops in it. And before we get started, of course, there is the return mailer for any items that you don't want to keep. And here is just saying your edit has arrived, your 7 items, talks about return and exchanges. There is, I guess on their website, it's called The Stream. So that's where they have all of their looks, and you can pick and choose styles that you like. I did not do that. I just kind of got whatever they selected. So we'll see. And then the next item in the box, I'm assuming, is going to be, yes, a list of your items and the prices. And there is a little stylist note, and it says, sometimes it's difficult to find that balance of comfort without sacrificing style. For this edit, we made sure to do both with luxurious fabrics, fun colors, and prints. Who said you can't have both? I was able to include a few of your stream requests. Okay, I did get on there. Oh, this just shows you my brain. I don't remember putting anything in there, but I did apparently. So yay. I also included a few pieces that are great for layering and an amazing pair of button fly jeans that will be your new go-to denim. Please let us know what you think of everything. We love hearing from you. Take care. Enjoy, Mesa. I do feel like these prices are a little bit better than what I had last time. So that's good. Or a little bit lower, I should say. So let's go ahead and get into this fix. The first item that we have is a t-shirt by Polygram, I think. And it is a gray, simple gray t-shirt with a little cross that says faith down. And this does look like something that maybe I would pick. So on the back it says faith over fear. It's a very soft, good quality material, which I feel like they probably typically are pretty good quality because they're pricier items. This retails for $44. Faith over fear, tee in navy. All of these tops will probably be a medium. The next item that we are going to have is a woven camo button-up blouse. with with back detail by APNY Apparel. This is a very see-through blouse. So hopefully I have a tank top or something to go under it in here. I guess the detail is this down at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it kind of has like a seam here and then goes down a little bit more here with a couple buttons right here. I know it's probably really hard to see on the camera, but I'm not sure. I do actually like camo, but I'm not 100% sold on this top. So we'll see after we try it on. The next item we're gonna have is a leopard V-neck cami in leopard, size 6 to 8. So medium, I'm sorry, by Hayden in Los Angeles. And it is $42 it retails for. And this honestly is kind of a blousey material also. And I do like animal print. And I guess I could wear this with a cardigan. It would be cute. So we'll see. I'm not sure about the material. It's not super soft or comfy, or it's a little bit on the rough side. But it may not be an issue when it's on, but I'm pretty picky about my comfort level in my clothes. When I'm going to pay a good price for something, it's going to be something that I'm comfortable in all day. So the next item, I like this brand, and I should know how to say it. I would say Vigos. I don't know if that's right, but this is a really good brand of jeans. I have a couple of my favorite pairs are this brand. I have a pair of shorts and a pair of jeans that I've had for a very long time. I like the button down here. This actually is similar to a pair that I had, and actually the pair that I kind of wanted to replace in this shade. So let's see. These are retailing for $74. And they are Ace High Rise, which I wanted high rise jeans, destructed skinny with button fly in medium. So I am excited to try those on. I've been trying not to buy any more pants or jeans because I do not need them, but they're all dark jeans. I had 2 pairs of light wash jeans, and one of them I ended up getting a hole in, and the other ones I put on the other day, and they have some kind of brown stain all down the legs. Like I dumped something and it didn't come out, and I didn't realize it didn't come out, I guess, and I pulled them out. And so I have no light wash jeans. So that is the only reason why I would consider buying another pair of jeans at this point. So we'll see. I probably should still wait, especially since spring and summer are coming, and I probably don't need more jeans, but all right, I'm sorry. The next thing we have is a button front V-neck cardigan in black, and it is a size small to medium, and it is by, well, it says Dreamers Debut. So I'm not sure if they, on here, on the back of the shirt, it says Debut, and on the on this paper, it says Dreamers. So I don't know. This is, I mean, this would look super cute with the leopard cami. My only issue with it is it's short. So I will have to try it on and see how short it is. But it would be cute with that cami. The price for this is $49. And if I miss prices as I'm going through these, I always list the prices for every item when I'm doing the try on. So just look for it there if I miss it here. And then, okay, the next thing that we have is an elastic hem tank in white, size medium, and it is $44. And it is just a white tank tee, which It actually has an elastic waist down here. I do like the thicker straps. I like the scoop neck. It feels like really, really good quality, super comfy, good material, but I don't know that I would pay $44 for a tank top. So we'll see. And then the last item that we have is the brushed dolman long sleeve top in dark charcoal. I do like dolman sleeves. Let's see if we can get this unwrapped here. So just a dolman style top, gray, super soft. That brushed material, it's always super soft and comfortable. So we'll see. I do like this color a lot. I wear a lot of charcoal gray, so that could be a keeper. But right now I am going to go ahead and try all of these items on for you, and I will be right back. All right, guys, the first item I have here is the brushed dolman long sleeve top in dark charcoal. So you can see the dolman sleeve. It's typical dolman sleeve top with a little bit tighter here around the waist. And then the charcoal dark gray. It's a super soft material. And that's pretty much the top. We're gonna move on to the jeans. So I also have on, with this top, I have on the Ace High Rise Vegas Destructed Skinny with Button Fly in medium. And these are high-waisted, and I really do like high-waisted jeans, so that's kind of nice. I'm hoping that you can kind of see these. I was going to move the camera, but you might be okay. So it does have some distressing, but not a ton, which I kind of like. And then the hem is kind of that cut hem, so, or unfinished hem at the bottom, which I also don't mind. The wash is good. I feel like maybe they're a tad snug, but not super bad. So that's it for those two items, and I will be back with the next. Okay, so the next item I have on is this camo blouse. It is by APNI Apparel. It has the back detail. So it is like a gray and black camo. You can see the colors there, and it is just a blouse. It is really good quality, typical blouse button sleeve. And then the back has this longer detail with a few buttons right down here, which I probably can't get close enough to show you. So that's that. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not sure on this one. It's not typically something that I would pick out for myself, so let me know. Okay, so I have two more items on. I went ahead and put this cardigan on with the leopard top. I'm not sure about just the length of this cardigan, so I think I would prefer it to be longer. Let me go ahead and go over that though. It is the button front V-neck cardigan in black, and it says by Dreamers, but it said debut on the tag. So this is $49, and I mean, it's a super comfy cardigan. It kind of has some, I want to call them balloon sleeves. They kind of puff up down towards your wrist. And I, really like the color with this cami, but I would like it to be a little bit longer, I think. So let me know what your thoughts are on that. So here is just the leopard cami by itself. So you can kind of see, I don't have the right bra and stuff on, I'm sorry, but So that's the cami by itself. For this cami is $42. And the material is not as comfortable as I would like, but it is not annoying either. So, and it is just a typical black and brown animal print. And then I think that I have 2 more items left, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, the next item that we have is the elastic hem tank in white, in a size medium, and it is $44. So it has the scoop neck, the elastic waist here, so you can kind of pull it down if you want, or have it just a little bit higher with the high-waisted jeans on. So that is that, and I'm going to go ahead and throw that black cardigan over this too, just to kind of see another look. And here is the same top with the cardigan over. So I thought this top is a little bit shorter, so maybe it would pair a little bit better with this cardigan. So there it is with kind of a different look. And just leave comments below on what you think about the items. Okay guys, we are back with the last item. This item is the V-neck tee with the cross that says faith down the back, and then I think on the back it says faith not fear. So it is super good quality, really comfortable shirt. So this retails for $44, and I know it's just a t-shirt, and I wish it wasn't $44, but it is very good quality and it is super comfortable. All right guys, so that is it for this try on and unboxing, and I am thankful that you all joined me, and I will see you next time. Bye guys. Guys, I almost forgot to tell you the price of the entire box. But the total price for all of the items in the box without a discount would be $345. Keeping 5, you get a discount of $69. And then that makes the subtotal $250. And I think that is for the entire box with a discount. But you only have to keep 5 and you still get a discount. So I don't know. That's going to be different for everybody depending on what they pick. You also get your styling fee back if you order anything. So you'll get an extra $20 off. So it could potentially be between $200 or even a little less and $230 if you were to keep 5 items or more. And that's it guys. I will see you next time. Bye.